Welcome to this session on how to calculate income tax liability for the assessment year 2021. In the assessment year 2021, the income of the previous year 2019-2020 will be assessed to tax. So for the income which is up to 2,50,000, there is no tax. Assessee need not pay tax for the income which is up to 2,50,000. If income exceeds 2,50,000 and for the income up to 5 lakhs, they are supposed to pay at the rate of 5%. For the income which is exceeding 5 lakhs and it is up to 10 lakhs, they are supposed to pay tax at the rate of 20%. For the income which is exceeding 10 lakhs, for that they are supposed to pay at the rate of 30%. So tax liability of an individual whose age is less than 60 years. So up to 2,50,000 their tax liability is nil. From 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs they are supposed to pay tax at the rate of 5%. And for the income between 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakhs they are supposed to pay at the rate of 20%. And for the 2,50,000 which is between 2,50,001 to 5 lakhs they are supposed to pay at the rate of 5%. So 5% of 2,50,000 is 12,500 plus 20% of tax for the income which is exceeding 5 lakhs. Above 10 lakhs they are supposed to pay at the rate of 30% for the income which is exceeding 10 lakhs, and this 12,500 applicable to this, and this 1 lakh applicable to this slab rate. So totally 1 lakh 12,500 plus 30% of income which is exceeding 10 lakhs to be paid as tax. For senior citizens are those whose ages between 60 years to 80 years. For them, up to 3 lakhs, there is no tax. They need not pay tax up to 3 lakhs. From 3 lakh 1 to 5 lakhs, for the excess of 3 lakhs till 5 lakhs, they are supposed to pay at the rate of 5%. From 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakhs, they are supposed to pay at the rate of 20%. And this 10,000 belongs to this 2 lakhs. Above 10 lakhs they are supposed to pay at the rate of 30%. So 1 lakh is 20% of 5 lakhs plus 10,000. So totally 1 lakh 10,000 plus 30% of income which is exceeding 10 lakhs. Next is for super senior citizens. Super senior citizens are those whose age is more than 80 years. For them up to 5 lakhs there is no tax. They need not pay tax up to 5 lakhs. For the income which is exceeding 5 lakhs and up to 10 lakhs, they are supposed to pay at the rate of 20%. And for the income which is exceeding 20%, income which is exceeding 10 lakhs, they are supposed to pay at the rate of 30%. After calculating the tax, you have to charge surcharge. Surcharge is nothing but you're going to calculate tax on tax. So surcharge is applicable only when the income exceeds 50 lakhs. So when total income exceeds 50 lakhs and it is up to 1 crore, the surcharge will be 10%. If it is between 1 crore to 2 crore, then 15% will be the surcharge. If the income is between 2 crore to 5 crore, 25% will be the surcharge. If the income is above 5 crore, then surcharge will be 37%. So surcharge is to be calculated only when the total income is more than 50 lakhs. Otherwise, surcharge is not applicable. Next is an additional cess of 4% for health and education benefits of our country. So this is applicable whatever may be the income. After calculating the tax out of tax liability, you have to calculate 4%. Next is section 87A. Section 87A is applicable for individuals whose income is less than 5 lakhs. For them, a rebate is given up to 12,500 out of their tax liability. So, if their income is more than 5 lakhs, then the rebate under section 87A is not at all applicable. The income should be less than 5 lakhs for claiming rebate under section 87A, and the limit is 12,500. Income tax slab of HUF. For HUF, the slab rate is as same as which you calculated for an individual whose age is less than 60 years. Income tax slab for a firm, it is at a flat rate of 30% of their income, and surcharge is applicable only when their income exceeds 1 crore, and surcharge they are supposed to pay at the rate of 12%. And as I told you, it is compulsory whether income exceeds the limit or not. Everyone has to pay health and educational cess at the rate of 4%. Income tax slab for a local authorities, and it is also levied at a flat rate at the rate of 30%. And surcharge is applicable to them only when their total income exceeds 1 crore. The surcharge is 12%. Otherwise, they need not pay any surcharge. But they are supposed to pay health and educational cess at the rate of 4%. Income tax slab for domestic companies, the companies which are from India, if their gross turnover exceeds 400 crore, they are supposed to pay at the rate of 30%. If it is less than 400 crore, at a flat rate of 25%. And surcharge is applicable to them only if it exceeds 1 crore and it is less than 10 crore, and surcharge will be 7%. If it exceeds 10 crore, total income exceeds 10 crore, then they are supposed to pay at the rate of 12%. As usual, health and educational cess is also applicable for domestic companies, and they are supposed to pay at the rate of 4%. Income from foreign companies, the tax rate will be at the rate of 40%, and surcharge is applicable to them if their income exceeds 1 crore and it is less than 10 crore, they are supposed to pay at the rate of 2%, and they are supposed to pay at the rate of 5% if their annual income exceeds 10 crore. As usual, health and educational cess is also applicable to them at the rate of 4%. Thank you.